Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall teamwork.com time tracking settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the time tracking settings in teamwork.com, begin by logging into your Teamwork account. Locate the top navigation bar. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile. In the Profile settings, navigate to the Time Tracking tab. You will see various time tracking options available. To disable time tracking, toggle the appropriate setting off. Review any additional time tracking preferences you may want to adjust. After making your changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button to apply your adjustments. Next, go back to the main dashboard. Select the Projects tab on the top navigation bar. Choose a project where time tracking settings were previously utilized. Access the Settings option within the project. Here, find the Time Tracking section. Disable time tracking for this specific project by toggling the setting off. Be sure to save any changes made at this project level. To ensure thorough removal, repeat this process for any additional projects. Lastly, refresh your dashboard to see the updated settings. You have successfully uninstalled the time tracking settings in teamwork.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.